Here are 25 practical life lessons that can help resolve many challenges and improve your well-being. These are geared toward building self-discipline, perspective, and resilience to address a broad spectrum of common life issues. 25 life lessons to fix 93% of your problems. 1. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to protect your time and energy. 2. Value consistency over intensity. Small, consistent actions yield better results than short bursts of effort. 3. Seek progress, not perfection. Embrace progress as a step toward growth. Perfection is an illusion. 4. Plan for the unexpected. Expect the unexpected and always have a backup plan. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your journey and growth rather than others' achievements. 6. Stop seeking validation. Trust your own judgment instead of relying on others' approval. 7. Take responsibility for your actions. Owning up to mistakes helps you learn and move forward. 8. Learn to forgive. Forgiving others and yourself frees you from carrying resentment. Embrace delayed gratification. Good things take time, and patience often leads to lasting rewards. 10. Develop financial discipline. Save consistently and avoid unnecessary debt to maintain financial stability. 11. Practice gratitude daily. Focusing on what you have fosters contentment and reduces stress. 12. Avoid gossip. Talking about others rarely leads to anything positive. Focus on your own life. 13. Prioritize physical health. A healthy body boosts energy, confidence, and mood. 14. Don't procrastinate. Act now, even if it's uncomfortable, to avoid stress later. 15. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking reduces productivity and increases mistakes. 16. Read daily. Books are treasure troves of wisdom, ideas, and perspectives. 17. Control your reactions. How you react defines you more than what happens to you. 18. Surround yourself with positive people. The people around you shape your mindset and energy. 19. Stop complaining. Complaining wastes time. Channel that energy into finding solutions. 20. Practice active listening. Listen to understand, not just to reply, and you'll improve relationships. 21. Seek balance, not extremes. Moderation often leads to a more sustainable and happy life. 22. Own your mornings. Start each day intentionally with routines that set a positive tone. 23. Invest in experiences, not things. Experiences enrich your life far more than material possessions. 24. Focus on what you can control. Let go of things outside your control to reduce stress. 25. Accept that life is uncertain. Uncertainty is a part of life. Adapt and embrace it.